Esithubeni with Ukwanele. Namhlanje we went to visit Uqama Music all the way side B eThembisa Ratanga. Uqama Music is one of the legends zase-side B. They call him Kasi Superhero. Like you can see now abantwana lakujonga kwispace sakhe kucola abantwana. He's a Kasi superhero, Kasi legend. So let's listen to him. Let's go.
Grand good. I sure. Yo man, this place is beautiful, yo. Yeah, damn. Yo, I told you now. Last time I came here, it was not like this, yo.
Anyway, I think we really or something.
Yeah.
But ibilo thought ba esithubeni yakufuni soundtrack.
Yeah.
So maybe when I go back to Ilantiza yakho, the latest episodes ayiva.
Yeah.
Then ke ngokwenzele.
Ngicreate something. Awukwazi ukudlala amagubu. Bona khona amagubu
apha. Yeah. Iclass ye drums ifundiswa ndini.
Ne?
Yeah.
I sure. Like so, like background yakho musiqala kwi-art, like ugele art from back then.
Big.
Ne?
Yeah. Ndiqale kwi-art. I normally say ebantwini, not trying to be smart also, but i-art indikhethile ayindim oyikhethileyo. Because as far as I can remember, since the days of ukhulele ezilalini, with the upbringing yam, ukhuliswa uhlala ne-siblings, uhlala nomakazi, umculo has always been there. Ubone when family that's around the time mhlawumbi dinner time akho TV, so i-entertainment iphuma from thina. If bekukho lo gig yamagqirha next door or around, kuthathwe ezangoma zasemagqirheni siphinde sizicule, ngoma zasecaweni siphinde sizicule, sidlala iziyona ekuronda, because umakazi wethu is not so old than us. Ukhula kwethu, since already was trying to make ends meet, sometimes abe away, sihlale nomakazi. So xa sishiyeke nomakazi as that person oshiya ngeminyaka nje kancinci, is that case of umakazi okanye umaluma ongekho mdala kunani. So as that person ke ngoku xa kukho loo ntlombe in a sense elalini or just nje imigubho, sithathe ezongoma kuyaculwa kuba yiloo nto. Ndisuke eCofa Imvaba. Imvaba is where I come from, but that's not where I was born. I was born
in Cape Town.
No, eMpumalanga.
Wow.
I was born in Mpumalanga because the time used to work that side. Timer was one of the guys abenza stainless steel. So there's a company called Columbus Stainless Steel, an old company that used to manufacture imbiza, amacephe yonke la way. So Timer was the greatest in that regard.
So like uGotman uPizzo nata like your relationship is a grand since
yo kakhulu. I-relationship yam noPizzo it's still strong and going, man. To a point where we just were catching up ngoku as to about what's the way forward, because and i-timer ngoku uyi-timer naye ndingumkhulwa in terms of ubutimer phaa kuye. So it's also a stronger relationship in that sense yokuthi we've really built these brands, Pizzo, Noqama. That's one of the strongest, because as Ben Sishuba, they're Queen Non-Stop firm, but also a collaboration between Noqama and Pizzo was one of the strongest out of Yongela way, because we developed a bond as abantu abawuthanda umculo nyani thina, to a point where there was a time whereby I would go to a studio every day. Man. So to this day, yeah, we still going strong.
How do you keep your relationships there, like especially with the industry? Like, I feel like abantu are sensitive, man.
Hey, Rodman, it's a very sensitive one. How I keep relationships, mna, it's by being myself, Rodman, and by doing so, I think iyandispannela. Ngokungazami ukuzifeyikha. Yes, idrama ikhona, but again, ubulumko, I think I got it ndisemncinci, in the sense that I sometimes reflect kwezi ngoma ndazenzayo, ndimamele lyrics, I'm like lyrical content.
It's
Obu
dope.
bulumko bendibufumana kuba khona enye ethi slavery, ingoma my whole life, abanye abantu bayazi ngalo title. So that song, it really was indlela nje yondibonisa uba ubomi yintoni, ubomi uphathwa kanjani. So I just make sure to respect the next person, as much as basize artist, but I need to know uba ungumntu nawe before anything. And iRodman yam uTamzo, as abantu as babenditshilo uba besizikhulisa, if umuntu uve into somewhere, maybe esikolweni or ayifunde, he loved ukusharisha i-wisdom ayifumanayo. So one thing that I took from him was, you will never go wrong with a good approach.
That's dope.
So whenever you approach someone, if uqale nge-approach good, it's rare that lo mntu lowo ningavele nibe ne-misunderstanding. And if you keep that approach, ingabi something that's faked, otherwise i-fake izawuhlala iveza ibonakala uba no ubuyifeyikha le way.
Yeah, facts that. So like, how do you make sure that you stay like with game too? Because you've been on the game too. Shikama 2019, but still like I was planned at that.
Hey, bro.
Like, how do you make sure like you keep up with the trends and all that?
I think it's the blessing of having different art forms, as an actor, as a mover or dancer, as a creative in terms of umculo. So again, with a mix of your wisdom, because it's been something that whichever genre esithetha ngayo, if you would look at mhlawumbi kwi-acting, there are sorry abantu that you would feel like, hey, they lost touch, i-acting yabo isekla ndebe endala, abantu abenza umculo, they have lost touch in that sense. But ubulumko bam comes in the sense that sorry, I got aware uba ngabantu ba, if you are doing anything, if ayina relevance loo nto leyo with the time, with the people, it's like you are wasting into yakho. Again, it goes back to business, target market, mate. So you can't be selling pens esipoint. Pens umnandi but uzawuthengwa ngubani esipoint. So you need to know, okay, ndilapha, what's required here is this, and try to be flexible. So I'm grateful for that flexibility. Yokuthi kwenziwa le nto ngoku, let me try not ukuzitshintsha again, as bawusitsho. You continue being uqhama, but in a way that irrelevant with this time and era. So I'm grateful for that wisdom.
That's dope.
Otherwise the OGs zifola kabuhlungu, feel like you are as like asikwazi urapper. Ixesha alithi makurethwe, ixesha lithi makutrepwe, ixesha lithi makube more melodies, ixesha lithi umculo mawube commercial, singabi too underground. Otherwise you won't go to kwezi ndawo zibhukisha ngemali.
Talking about the melodies that you always drop before Ivalaza.
Iyandilandela iValaza. If I think about it, yeah, I'm pushing Undine Crash. So that's my song as I'm promoting my event, the African Valaza. That's gonna be on the 14th. Unfortunately, Undine Crash is not gonna drop on this month, but because it's a month of love, it's been a song, and ipusha ibanga banba. Yay. Sisemathandweni ngoku. I'm sure nawe unayo i-crush. Nawe unayo i-crush. Bani crush yakho ta.
Later, ufuna ungixabanisa
Sorry. Yeah, but that's another controversy. Ubone ingoma ezinjalo with irrelevance.
Yeah,
It was
ta.
like thinking, uba ngabantu ba, what is it that common ngathi singabantu sonke? It's that thing. Even if respectfully so, omnye umuntu uzoba ne-crush engumuntu ose-TV. But if we are being honest, all genders, it doesn't mean that ufuna ukupursue something with that person, but how they show up from afar, it feels
Yeah,
like
ta, it feels
something
like-
oyibona. So everyone has a crush, no makhulu, no tamkhulu.
It used to be uThusombedu actually crush.
uThusombedu sizawuxabana ngoThusombedu because
Crush yakho na?
no, big time.
You are,
Because uThusombedu irespect
Yeah,
naturalness
Yeah.
yakhe, like authentic sister. So shout out to Thusombedu. Sizawulwa after le way.
Actually, talking about like Thusombedu and women, like how do you choose like umntu because like I feel like you have a like umfazi like who like kuthiwa ngumfazi like kwaXhosa ta. Like,
Sure,
how
ta.
did you choose that like?
Sure, bra. It was again ukuhlala phansi, because I won't say it was just an instant into yoba ndibone uba nguye lo oGrand. Like any other gent ekhule kasi, we have that stereotype yongabi nazi mentors. So nam, like any other gent, I fell for, that's why I share wisdom with amakwala, with youngins, that hey bras, esi stage nikuso will bring you a lot of women because ninentlahla, because i-pressure yamatyani ithi ngoku you need to be going out there intanga yayo nayiphi na imedi. But I fell for that trap. Nam ndazifinda ndingudlalani in a way for so many years, and also being part of i-circles ezithile. I wouldn't say it's bad circles, but art, once ube ne-gift ta, I'm talented and
Yeah,
so
ta.
even if kukwa drama ndi-talented phayana, so you shine as someone or talented, and therefore women are drawn towards that
Attention.
talented person. Musically, someone is drawn to this person ocula kamnandi, so they come easy because of your gift. But if you can't differentiate okanye uyazi uba iza kubetha le way in a long run. So I saw that phase, but ndabona uba no, it's not taking me anywhere le way. Rather, it's gonna make me lose istima sam. Let me stay. How I got to meet Ifro was the decision I took myself. Bangabamba. Okay, le bhena yobu player, fine. Isigqibile ngayo, fine. I got introduced by brother yam, Utapira, to reggae. So there was this song, and I vibe with dance hall or reggae. That the lyrics went like, I need a girl who can teach me something. It doesn't necessarily mean someone young or old. It goes on and on. But that was the era of me staying single. Because again, as Ikasi gents, you jump from one relationship to the other, and without ukuhlala nawe uzazi ba uthanda ntoni. So that period made me gain ukuzazi uba ngabantu ba ndingumuntu onjani, ndabuyela ebumneni bam uba no man, actually nantsi into endiyifunayo. And then through that song, listening to that song, having that pure time yongabi na relationships as unnecessary, ndazixela uba it was sort of like manifestation through that song. So music again came to play through that chant, imanidlala, I need a girl, I need a girl. A girl just showed up, and when I saw her, I was like, this is someone that I would love to pursue something with.
You remember
because
what Divana Naikana first time?
kwi Izabalaza Festival. So the theater festival, because we're in the same sphere, same art, even though we more on music here with group yakhe, so mna music and art. So while they were doing a performance with Zabalaza as that music group, I saw my chance after the whole event because she's very reserved, very quiet. Nam ke ngoku ezantloni zibuyile ngoba ndiyazifayina ngoba ndingumntu onjani, andithanda isigxumgxum sonke.
Yeah,
And it's not an easy target lena, unlike the other targets whereby I can flash uba ndiyacula ndizifihle ngathi. This one is a real one. You need to make sure if we are upper, you know your thing. So I waited for the right moment. When it was quiet after the event,
What did you say?
I went straight. It was quiet at least. She was sitting there reserved again. I went ndacela nje number and I knew that after that ndizawuzama indlela zam ke ngoku
conversation.
And then ndoyika nalapho after sendiyithathile kwababa couldn't save me. So she then texted but okay wathatha number yam wathula ngoku. Ndaqonda okay ndibhaqiwe apha mandizame ukwenza incoko. But after that chat I saw a lot of common things with Yena, that she's just reserved and so too ke ngoba hey ndisuke eCofimvaba usuke eCofimvaba. So this is nice. And then more and more stuff became common, and also in terms of la way yokuthi it was more genuine and authentic. Incoko ibingaxingi. Incoko I didn't have to create some stories okanye what are you up to odikayo nentontoni ezibezikade zisenzeka. This was just a genuine conversation.
Would you say like leyo nto yakwenza warealize okay she's the one?
Yeah, definitely. And also knowing that she was not for the streets.
What does that mean?
It means istrato sesethu sonke mos. Istrato sigcwele. Sinabantu abaninzi. So for mna it means that ungowestrato awungowekhaya. So she's for the home or for the house, that one house, not for every other gent that can reach that person to a point where amachidam othuka xa ndithi hey I'm pursuing this relationship. Ubani ubani ethule nje uyadlala la uzoluka lo umntana akadate. Tell you I'm her first boyfriend and her first husband. And I hope to keep it that way. I'm forever grateful to that.
Bro.
So first of everything, I can't stay
like how like usuka like from Eastern Cape.
From
And then like
she's never dated.
Damn, bro.
In the industry, at school, till varsity, because why is a varsity at that time? I think we're in 21, 22.
Damn, we need gold was that
big time, Diam. So I think again with right intentions, I would say the universe was seeing by exit. He is awake now. He knows what he wants. And then it sort of like played along Bangaban. So intentions, they played a huge role. No, you are intentional and you know what you want to work. As much as you can't just wipe away your trauma. It's part of a trauma form na. Into yokhulele kasi, into ye pressures zoba ngumjita ekasi.
What would you say to like Twilight just a kasi go through that trauma like
Yo, naita. I would say I worry a lot ngabantu abancinci kasi, because pressure is that You can't have one partner, and also uyiyeke nje ye-partners. I-black community imsukile kulaa nto yokuthi khawuqala uzazi uba ngabantu bungubani, because I feel like abantu are going into relationships bengazazi uba bangobani bona kuqala. Abantu it feels like i-jargon okanye i-bombastic words okanye ibe ngathi ngumntu oyi-motivational speaker othi qala uzithande before uthande omnye umntu. If you can ask umjita ngokuba yintoni enincokola nayo nemate yakho, yintoni enincokola ngayo, is there a serious plan kulo mntu uthi uyamthanda okanye is that yo jonga laa mntana yo. So that behind that yo, honestly 99% yi-bad, ayikho enye. Honestly, and that bad iza ne-end results is a lifetime. So the next thing yingcosi, the next thing beningena intentions. That's why there's a lot of daddy and mommy issues ngabantu, because benibancinci, of course. So you just went into something efuna i-serious decisions. Igazi lishushu, there is no talk behind i-protection. There's also less talk eti, okay, try this thing, but protect yourself. Rather the hype is the fact that go like organic, and then that organic ngulo uzawuthumela abantwana kwizigulo, uzawuthumela kwi-teenage pregnancy. That's the sad reality. So if you talk about such things, you sound like that serious gent. Yeah,
but it is serious.
Yeah,
It is
it
serious.
is very
It's
serious.
very serious.
To a point where, Rodman, I feel jealous about the other race, whereby I would say white people by fumana grand way, and I advise low way. Kukho umehluko between dating and ukujola. So I would advise umuntu omncinci ke ofuna ukuba kule way ndithi data. Dating means you choosing those days apho nizawubonana. Niyabonana, there is no extra okanye you don't give away everything, which is unika into umuntu angayideserviyo kwi-first meetups, kwi-second meetups. Ezi meetups nithetha ngazo, rather niye kwi-dates, ice cream dates, go out kwinto ezichallengeayo, have talks ezizawuchallenja, so that you see this person uba ingaba ngumntu endinopursue something serious naye na. Otherwise, again, because I don't want to say data sewumdala, there are honesty C abaqale namametu wabo from esikolweni. So uthando, again, it's sensitive ngola hlobo loba it has no age, but ke ngoku olu lukhoyo lubaxiwe, there is no guidance kuba ngabantu ba how do you go about izinto,
And phela sekwi-teenage pregnancy and all that.
unnecessary ones.
So tell me about uba ngutata njani, like kunjani uba ngutata?
Yeah. It's humbling.
Yeah.
It's humbling uba ngutata, because you get to be selfless. Ubone but there's this mini you, okufuneke ngoku ufunde a lot from bona in terms of patience. As benchilo, ububele is not something I grew up ndinabo. So now ndibone pha into ba inimba nyani into ekhoyo iyakhetha. Iyakhetha. Indlela endikhathalela ngayo wam umntana, it's totally different to omnye umntana. And then ndayijonga okanye ndayi-assessa nakwabanye abantu, it's like that. You can never say bathanda ngendlela eyi-one abantwana. Owakho, definitely there's that extra care for yena. So ukuba ngutata is really humbling, because you realize by it's not about wena qha. If you are doing into, if une-behaviors ezithile, une-habits ezithile, that person will remind you because of everything oyenzayo more than oyithethayo. bayakubonisa, they come back and play it back for you. So it's humbling, and I'm grateful that I got to be a father ngela xesha le COVID, whereby you are able to sit and I got the experience yokwazi utshintsha umntana inapkeni, which I feel like again ndiba newari kulaa nto yoba amagrotmani athi angotata, but you don't get the sense yoba yintoni le nto ingutata, because it's a full experience. If you have umntana wakho uyakwazi umhlamba, uyakwazi umtshintsha, uyakwazi umnakekela fully. It shows kwindlela umntana aba comfortable ngayo. If uoled wakho uthi uyaspana ngelo xesha okanye 3 days away, akanawari yoba uoled akekho, because uyayazi utime uyakwazi undihlamba, uyakwazi undenzela yonke into, and that creates ibond kakhulu. Ubeleka umntana, at some point I would post pictures ndibelekile umntana, ubone uba they shouldn't be trending but iyatrenda because uta ubeleke umntana, but it should be a norm. But ke it's a great experience.
Like ayazi amajita amaninzi analawet aba like if like usend imali per month like ungutata
ugqibile, but that's not the case. Asingawo amatime awethu. Maybe that was being a father ngexesha lamatime awethu, because babe away, you would say so, because akana chance yoba makazokwenza ezo roles, umlungu mfuna apha, and therefore umama usendlini. But ngoku honestly it's more us aba unemployed. So if unalo elaa xesha, why not give that time? And even if ni employed, can you think of umfazi naye osuke emsebenzini, nawe usuke emsebenzini, funeka aphinde apheke, funeka aphinde unasa abantwana. So kodwa uyakwazi uzenzela izinto xa usingle, uyakwazi uzenzela. But once ube kwi-relationship, hayi ityanze relax. So it needs to be something talks again ezindiwarishayo with the society.
How did you get it right, Renata?
I can't say I've got it right, but I got a privilege of learning. I'm still learning, and honestly I would say into endiwinisayo is the fact yoba again try to understand. Iyabona la wisdom bendithetha ngayo iyandinceda nokuba ngumntu understanding yoba how does it feel uba ngumntu ongumama owenza yonke into. Can you imagine xa engumdlezane, still ungumdlezane, ukhalelwa ngumntana, but mna ndizazixela uba ndingutata kodwa ndikhona, ndingakwazi unceda phaa. It's not natural, because zonke ezi zinto zithatha ukuqhela. So I think i-willingness yam ne-willingness yokuzibeka kwihlazo, because it's not easy. Omnye umuntu uzawubona ingathi ufotele la picture, but if you can go around apha eKasi, abantu abangomama to this day ingcosi yam isiwandim eCreech, but kwabanye is the opposite, mostly ngoomama abasabantwana. So it's challenging those societal norms. Ukuba ngabantu bandizambeleka, if kuyanetha ndimbeke emqolo, ndimgqume, ube hayibo, hey uyamtefisa, kutsho kwa oomama, hey hayi ude umbeleke, hey hayi lo tata, but ubone uba abanye bayayincoma. No, this is nice. So ezinye izinto azitshintshi, because sometimes in the society those voices. So ke mna ke ziyandi-excite ezo challenges. Ndiyathanda uba ngu-controversial person.
Ngiyandibona etala xa ndihamba like nengcosi yam mhlawumbi ndiyodlala nayo like epakini or something, wona amajita indlela ndijonge ngayo, that's like nenza into wrong or something.
Uzifile like now
like bona ngansizela joba
yenziswa.
Why like
kanti they don't understand ixesha olithengayo nala mntana. It's priceless it's priceless, because ingcosi yakho for long, even if life ngathiwa you are no longer on earth, eza memories la mntana. I think of that oko kuba yabona ilight yam, hayi noba ngathiwa it's chai anytime. But okuba playful kwam ndibe kwizihlangu zayo, feel like party, feel like I have all the elements zika-time. And I think kule nto itshoyo uba ndiyazama uyimasterisha uba i-boundary ikhona. Uyandazi xa kufuneka uthi stop kube serious, uyandazi xa kufuneka sidlale fully sibe sithi, because you will miss the point nalapho xa uzama umtefatef. Funeka ube genuine and ube kulaa level yakhe, angafili like undenza umntana, because umntana akafuni ukwenza umntana.
Yeah. So between ke ngoku like ilight yakho neThembisa Rathanga, who's your favorite child?
Yo. Both of them.
No, who's your favorite?
Because why does it both of allow me to explain?
Okay.
Maybe the explanation yami ngenza sense.
Okay.
iThembisa Rathanga iqale yakhona as a child, ndayigroma, but honestly speaking it was never gonna move further more than uba kubekho ingcosi, because we do realize as spiritual people that he came with some gifts. I-presence yakhe definitely lento siyothukayo sonke uba iRathanga zeyilapha ngoku, it's around that time of his arrival on earth.
Damn, bro.
2020 was a turning point of iThembisa Rathanga. And therefore, so if you say I choose one, angabiko,
Then that
it was
means
never
Mina
gonna
Zoko.
move.
Yeah.
Yabon, because the universe and the spiritual realm knew ukuthi iThembisa Rathanga, now you need to know ba i-platform yalo mjida, and maybe ne-siblings zakhe, if there are gonna be siblings coming after yena. But yena, we do know fully that the project it's about yena. To a point where ndiyiscala kanjani i-success yeThembisa Rathanga ngeway yobani ba ingcosi yam kule nto besincokola ngayo of air ntoba it's a peaceful space, it's a safe space. From 2020 to this day, 5 years old, going to 6, he's never felt the need yokuyodlala estratweni.
Damn, bro. Because everything is here.
That's a success, and it's humbling.
Yeah.
In that sense, yoba iitshomi ziyamzela, but it's not like thina mhlawumbi xa unelo privilege yoba nezinto uba zikuzela kokwenu, i-TV game
Funeka kube ya.
kuye ziyamzela close kokwabo, but also kwiRathanga.
Yeah.
Kokwabo but akukho kwabo, so iyamfundisa la balance yoba you need to share the space nabanye.
Yeah.
So he never goes out because wonke umuntu uza apha.
That's
So-
beautiful, man. That's beautiful.
I'm humble.
Yeah.
So I'm humbled by that experience, and it shows the growth yokuthi hayi, we have created something here. As much as you have to expose umntana to other spaces.
Tell me about like ezinye izinto eniplanning ukuzenza, because I see this basement is very beautiful, bro. Like it's really beautiful.
Thanks, bro. So we wanna upscale in terms of what we've been focusing on, because of i-resources ebesinazo bezisiallow uba sikwazi ucaterishela for abantwana for so much time. But one oyazi iThembisa Rathanga would know that initially saqala as a space whereby we're creating a platform for performing artists like myself, a Kaili Singena space whereby we can portray our talents. So now we are coming back with that angle. Abantwana, it's solidified into yabo. The programs are running smoothly, so we after school programs. So now we're gonna be bringing sessions for the community so that we involve khawubaxele bayangcola. Okay, no, at least you say set up iluta. So now we're gonna be fusing again ilendos youth as well as adults guest sessions. So-
So enye vixolo ta
No
ngophazamisa.
problem.
I saw enye video ta enye tsotsi bixoxa la ku Bravo apha ta. Yo,
That was beautiful.
Yo,
That was the visuals. Like nendlela yenza ngayo umshitala was like,
Peter.
damn, bro.
Peter is an amazing gent.
So like, is it like the plan uba ukhe nizokwenza into ezinja okanye?
Definitely, definitely, because we normally did such things whereby kuthiwa live art okanye ambush theatre, whereby it's not under shelter ethile, but people can be able to see something, live art whereby kuyapeyintwa ngokuhleliwe. So such sessions sizawubuyisa zona because they also offer a space to inspire abantwana, also to create conversations, because we feel like there are no spaces to create to have conversations as a community. So we are that space as our official way, and also we are gonna be intentional ngale safeness okanye le safety sinayo apha sisi space, in the sense that unfortunately we're gonna offer sober sessions because there are so many spaces whereby you can go and consume whatever alcohol that you wish to have. But because we feel like some things zifuna sibe sober in order for us to tackle them, and we wanna try to make sure that abantu bethu bayayazi basingonwaba without alcohol. So there's music, umculo. That's why kuthiwa singamanxile engoma, uyakwazi uzibajonga ndinxilile ngumculo, ndinxilile ile art, ndinxilile ile dance yenzeka apha, and you would go home and feel like I've done it.